Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you Gemini AI interface and how you can use this and some setting, how you can setting your Gemini AI. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. Open your browser, go to Gemini.ai. So I'm going to click on done, and here you can see you need to write prompt in here, or you can also upload your image, or you can search your image by Gemini, or you can use microphone to write your prompt. So I'm going to use my microphone. So click on allow. Hi. So you can see it's simply my text. I'm going to close this one. And here you can see Gemini and Gemini Advanced. If you want to use this one, you need to upgrade this. You need to pay this to use this one. I'm happy with Gemini. I'm select this one. And here you can also change your account, or you can add your account from here. In here explain menu, you can see your history in here. If you use another tab, if you use another page, you can see this in here in this send menu and below. And add this. So you can see this in here. So in this way you can easily create new chat in Gemini. Simply click on new chat and write something in it. Or you can collab this, or you can expand this like this. In settings, you can use the dark theme or your public link, or you can also use this extension. So you can see some go to setting again and your public link. In Gem Manager, you can see check out James. You can see brainstormer, career guide, coding partner, learning coach. If you click on show more, you can see writing editor. So guys, this is our interface in Gemini AI. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.